So we are trying to work on this particular document now. What we'll do is we'll come to here, we'll click on select, click on select the particular portion of this document, which is this portion. Click on Ctrl C, then click on Ctrl V to paste. I want to cover this place. Then click on Ctrl V again to paste. Click on Ctrl V again. I want to cover here also. Click on Ctrl V again. To paste. Click on Ctrl V again to paste. Alright, so that's it. So now we want to cover this address. Click on Ctrl V again. Let's make this to be uniform so that it will not seem different. Click on Ctrl V again. Okay, then we copy this portion so I can use it for our address. Then click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, drag this down to cover this address. Click on Ctrl V again. Drag this down to cover this address. Then click on Ctrl V again. So that to be uniform. Alright. Now you copy the portion of this particular place. Click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Drag and cover. Ctrl V. Drag and cover. Alright. So I've successfully covered most of the parts we want to cover, right? Okay. So now we're going to type the name on it, and then the name I'm going to use, right? The name we're using on it. Okay, so you can see what we are working on here. This is what we are working on here. So we'll type class and end. Click on text. Class. The class should be, and the end should be in the, I think should be blue. Let's increase the font. Right, drag this down. All right, so and let's make it bold. Then it should be in the blue color. Not blue, kind of. Yeah, I think it's blue. Yeah, blue. Is this blue color? Okay. So we type C here. C. Y here is none. But the C should be in black. Should be a black color. Why the none? NON should also be black color. Then let's increase the none and C. We increase the font. All right. So that's it. So now I want to type in the date of birth they gave to me that I want to use for this particular stuff. So so still I want to still I'm gonna name, work on the name right now. Vicky Gomez. Okay, so date of birth, let's reduce the font. Okay, reduce the fonts right now. Then date of birth should be 1971. 1971. Drag it down. $1971. Okay, then address. This is where the address is supposed to be, right? Address is wow Stockholm. Stockholm. Stockton. Okay, Stockton. Stockton. That's San Francisco. California. 94133. All right. All right. Got it. Then this place is supposed to be the expiry date, which I made a mistake. I'm supposed to write the expiry date and the name here. So now we're going to copy here again. Select, come to select, copy, and then click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V. All right. So now we're going to type in the expiring dates. Oh my god, I'm supposed to use text. Okay, type in the expiring date, which is going to be 2026, right? 07 slash 02 slash 2026. All right, so drag it down to align better, and then change the color to red. Should be dark red, right? Okay. I would have loved this font to be bigger than this. Let's make the font bigger. 07 7 slash 02 slash 02 slash 2026. Let's make the font 12. What about 14? Is this too big? I guess yes, better. So now for the name is Vicky and Gomez. Okay. So are we getting this right? I think this should be black. This should be black, right? Okay. So date of birth. Date of birth. Is this okay? This should be the expiring date, not the date of birth. Also, this one below, down below. Okay, so we're going to get copy and then work on that. Right? Let's make this 13. If 13 is available. All right. So let me confirm the name and see if it's the name. All right. All right, so that we can continue. Okay, so the name is Victoria Charlotte Gomez. Charlotte Victoria Charlotte Gomez. All right, so now this is should be the expiring date, right? So we come and click on select to clone that part. We want to clone that part. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Moving this should be a problem. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I'm having issues with copying, with carrying this thing from. Okay. So now text. Then we put it 2006 to 2026. Okay. And then move it up. We reduce it to 12. Remove the boldness on it. So that is it for now.